Remove all materials from the box and check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Firstly, attach wood dowel into board 3. Then, repeat step on board 4, 5, 6, 7, 11 and 12. Next, install Minifix bolt onto board 1, 3, 4 and 8. There is an arrow on the Minifix cam. Make sure it faces the hole. Follow this method up to step 6. Attach board 3 and board 4 to board 7 by tightening the Minifix cam. Attach board 1 to board 3, 4 and 7 by tightening the Minifix cam. Then, attach board 5 and 6 to board 1. Attach board 8 to the main part of the cabinet. Next, attach both board 11 and 12 to board 8 using Minifix cam. After that, use Unita screw M7X84mm to attach board 2 to the main part of the cabinet. Then, use nails to attach board 9 to the main part of the cabinet. Attach metal hinges onto both board 10 using CSK screw. Refer to the video attached on the top right corner for tips on how to install metal hinges. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled your TV cabinet.